nice day today?
No. Not one little bit.
So we're headed out to the farm from town to check on things. We haven't moved in out there yet, but we do constant checks to make sure that things are where they need to be. And I have a little bit of a cold, so I apologize for the raspy voice, but it's a rainy December, and everybody's getting ready for Christmas, but Isabella and I are going to go feed the goats and check on the house. It's still there. And open this guy up. So, what's your favorite part of?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Exploring new places, making tree houses, playing around with goats.
Yeah, it is fun. Kind of the wrong time of year for tree houses and playing around, but spring is in a couple months, and we're going to be planting and doing all kinds of stuff that we need to get ready for, huh?
Well, it's actually not in a couple months. It's fall.
Yeah, well, it can seem far away, but it'll be here before you know it.
Tomorrow will it be here?
No, spring.
Spring is
Spring and summer, daylight and all that kind of stuff.
sometimes it must be like this. Even though it's fall.
Alright. Hop on out. I don't think you need your coat right now. It's not raining too bad.
Okay.
Here, take this.
I forgot. I don't know what you did.
Help up there?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Okay. Go get the water can.
I need to got my boots.
Right. Okay, put it down and just give me the little bucket. Okay, pull the bucket out.
Like this?
Yeah, just pull it out.
This shit's so hard.
Here, let me help. Yeah. I'm gonna keep that out here. Yeah. Welcome to the real rainforest. All right. So right now we have a 2015 travel trailer. That's kind of our comforts of home headquarters, but not something you want to live in. And this is the house that we do want to live in, but it's going to take a lot of remodeling work. Got the tractor, one of them that we're borrowing. And this house was built in '78, but hasn't really seen a lot of remodeling since it was built. So we're stripping everything down, knocking out walls. Right now we have a lot of equipment and such out here, and it's not well organized. We've got some tables and chairs we need to get sold and gone. We've got beautiful wood paneling and so on we need to pull apart, and a whole stack of tools and such. Also, it has one amazing view, but it's going to take a lot of work to get it all cleaned up the way it needs to be. And here's the old office, which is kind of the command center. We've got our helmets and other safety gear in here, and we're also going to have a place where it can stay warm and have our equipment while we're blowing up the rest of the house. So, in case you're wondering what this is, it's a FPGA, or Field Programmable Gate Array. It's basically a crypto miner for things related to Bitcoin. Something the boys and I were experimenting with, just as a science experiment. But we're testing the internet out here to see if it likes it and make sure that it'll work. And it also will have a side benefit of producing a little bit of heat, so that'll be a good thing. So we are going to go downstairs. That's where the goat food is right now. Even though that's not where it belongs, but like I said, right now we're just kind of in survival mode. Here's the basement, nice and cold, and here is the fireplace insert that's going to get completely remodeled and is the absolute next priority. So there's future garden and berry patch and a whole lot of cleanup and many videos probably. And then here's our current garage. We moved this in just to store everything, but we got to dump the water out of the dehumidifier in there as well. We also cut down all the alders that we're trying to, take over, but we have a lot of cleanup and such to do here as well. Are you making it?
Cool.
Can you jump that? All right. Let's go up here where we have part of the goat pay. Let's see. The cows coming in for the night. Grandma's cows. All right. And water everywhere. So we have a brand new roof put on, but one of the issues we have is the snow loading and gutters. Obviously, we're gonna have to put some snow guards on it and get gutters on it now. It used to have a deck which needs to be torn down and rebuilt, which we will do, but I don't want to have water backsplashing into the siding into the house, so we'll have to take care of that this weekend. Inspections for today, and we'll be out Saturday and start doing some more cleanup.
Bye bye, goats.
Bye bye, goats. There's a whole lot of bank that needs to be tractored.
What's a bank?
Bank?
Mm-hmm.
That's where an institution that doesn't pay very much interest. No, it's the side of the hill, honey. We gotta make it pretty. All right, are you gonna get the gate this time?
No.
No? Oh, you afraid of the dark or of getting wet?
This pool, I think, won't be caught by something.
Oh, I see. Good idea. Are you warm enough?
Try. Yep, I'm
All right. Just don't drop my coat on the ground. At least it didn't rain too hard today.
Yeah, not too long.
It sure gets dark early.
Yeah.
You can barely wait till it's daylight till 9 o'clock again.
Mm-hmm.
Get some real work done out here, huh?